You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, originally from Italian, meaning major or also large, the largest, generally the big one. That's what it means from Italian. I think you have piazza, some squares in Italy that are named that way, Santa Maria as well. Maggiore, essentially replace the double G-I with a J, or make it even two J's because there's two G's, so it means you want to stress on that J syllable, maggiore. Maggiore is the Italian pronunciation here. If you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, just say maggiore. Maggiore, it's easy. How to pronounce Maggiore in English, you can say it that way, or in Italian, maggiore. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.